You're awake.
No! Let go! Let me go!
Ouch! It's me, your radiance! Smoked cheese cookie.
Smoked cheese cookie.
Finally, you've come to your senses. What a relief.
I must have been out cold for a while. How long? No matter. We must go. We must find my soul gem. To think that someone would find one soul gem lacking. An avarice I've never thought possible. 2 soul gems. Such power. I shall.
Golden cheese cookie?
I shall. What is this? I feel...
Golden cheese cookie?
Why does my dough feel so heavy? I must act. Break free from this cage. Escape. Face burning spice cookie once more. I must escape. Time is of the essence. But why? Why run? Escape! Escape! Is this fear? Am I afraid? Golden cheese cookie? No, never. But...
Your radiance. Golden cheese cookie. You're pale as breed. Come back!
I must fight! I must!
Look at me! I'm still here with you. I haven't returned to the soul cheese yet, which can mean only one. The power of your soul gem is still with you. Burning Spice Cookie hasn't fully claimed it yet. Do not lose your spirit. We haven't crumbled just yet.
Silence, prisoner! Stay quiet. What is the meaning of this?
Pray tell, is it customary in this land to interrupt when 2 cookies are clearly in the middle of a private conversation?
Ha! In this land, it's customary to punish the big-mouth ones like...
Sweet slumber!